Well, hello everybody. Good afternoon. Welcome back. Jiu-Jitsu 2000 here today. I'm back. I've got an interesting video for you today. This is a product by MAXOAK. This is the Bluetti. This is power indoors and outdoors. This is a generator. It's basically a battery. So being a YouTuber, when this company offered the idea of me reviewing this product, I thought, yes, that's definitely something I want to look into. This is a portable power storage. It says this is model AC20 or 200 watt hours. Picture is only for reference. Please take the product as the standard. So this is a look at the packaging. This runs on a lithium ion battery. The specs here, it says 200 watt hours, lithium ion 18650 batteries. Charging. With the AC charge adapter, it takes about 7 hours to charge this. Solar panel, about 4 hours. Now the question on that is, how many watts is their solar panel? AC output, so it's got 110 volt alternating current output, and it's got a few DC output ports. It's got a USB running at 5 volt 3 amp. It's got a 12 volt running at 10 amp port, and it's got a USB-C Type C running at 45 watts. This product dimensions 202 millimeters by 67 millimeters by 207 millimeters. So that's pretty cool. Let's take a look at this other part. It says that this is ideal for family applications. You can use it around the office, travel, and in my case, camping or shooting YouTube videos, charging batteries of GoPros, things like that, doing overnighters, business, medical, natural disasters, and for schoolwork. So maybe somebody has a laptop or something, or a tablet. It says here, lithium ion battery. Use safer and higher energy density lithium ion batteries. The energy storage capacity is 1.5 times higher than other battery cells. And system control, solar recharge function, and auto power off if fully recharged. So I'm going to open this up. This is on Amazon. The retail for this product is about $219. Please make sure that you check the description box down below, because I'll put links to where you can find this. You can see here right away that everything is packaged very nice. Nice padding around this thing. Oh, the packaging is very nice. So there is a first look at the unit itself. That thing is kind of heavy, and I mean that in a good way. It's not some light little battery, it's pretty heavy. So there, we've got that owner's manual here. I'm looking in the bottom here to see. There's another little box here on the side. So let's take a look at this little box and see what this is first. So we're going to open this up. Wow, this is kind of cool. Very nice looking product. So I have what appears to be a DC out to 12 volt adapter. Pretty cool. Looks like that wire's about, I don't know, 5, maybe 6 inches long. Something like that. So that's cool. So you can plug in all your 12 volt stuff, like maybe truck drivers or something. That'd be cool. Right here, looks like we have a USB-C to USB-C cable. Right there to right there. So that's included. Let me guess and see about how long this cable is. Yeah, I'm guessing that's at least 4 feet. Probably about 4 feet long, that cable. So that's pretty cool. Yeah, that's probably 32 inches long, maybe. That's about 16 right there and a half. So 16 and 16, probably about 32 inches, I'm guessing. So what else do we have? Looks like some sort of adapter here. It's got this on one end, and it has this on the other end. So that's kind of cool. And last but not least, I'm gonna take a guess and think that this is the charger. So it's got a wall transformer here, and on the other end of it, it's got a big yellow thing here. I'm guessing that this is to charge the unit. It says class 2 power supply input 100 to 240 volts, 50 to 60 hertz, 0.9 amps. The output is a DC output, 29.2 volts and 1.2 amps. So this is the charge port. Let's take a quick look at the unit itself. Boy, that thing is nice looking. Very nice looking unit. Wow. So this is an output, this is the input, I'm thinking. Okay, so on the back here, this blue port, you can see that's the input where we would charge it. And then this is a 120 volt standard household outlet. That's an output. So that's what's on the back. That's cool. And then on the front, we have 3 buttons here. Power button, DC, and AC. Hopefully you can see that, those 3. And then below that, you've got output, looks like 2 different USBs. You got 2.4 amp and 3 amp. So the bottom one's blue and the top one's white. So that's like a USB 2, I'm thinking, and a USB 3. And then you have a output of DC 12 volt 10 amps. Right there, that red one. And then below that, you've got USB-C. Now the top has a nice handle. Man, that thing is like really solid rubber. Look at how nice that package looks. On the bottom, this is take a look at the bottom here. Nice little feet and stuff. That is super, super cool. Now, I'm not going to turn it on just yet without reading these instructions. I want to make sure I know what I'm looking at. This is a pretty nice unit. It feels very solid. Right here I have a certificate, production date, quality control certificate, and right here is a warranty card. Again, this is model AC20. This was inspected May 5th of 2019. So that's pretty cool. It comes with that. I think that's really neat. A lot of companies don't include that with their product. Bluetti, 200 watt hour portable power generator. This is the user's manual. Super cool. So it's written in, yeah, several different languages. English, page 1 to page 10. So page 1, product overview. Warning. Please read the warning section carefully before use. Avoid using this product when it's exposed to direct sunlight, rain, or wet environments. Product cannot be installed near a radiator, oven, or any other heat source. Place the product in a stable and secured area. Please use dry cloth to clean the product. Please do not alter or disassemble the product. Keep away from fire. If a fire hazard occurs, use a dry powder fire extinguisher on this product. Using water fire extinguisher on this product may lead to electric shock, right? Because electric travels through water being the conductor, right? Operating temperature from 0 to 40 degrees centigrade, and the humidity between 5 and 90%. Storage and maintenance. Please fully charge the product before storage and charge it at least once every 3 months. Store it in a cool, dry, well-ventilated, well-spaced area. Keep the product away from water, flammable gas, corrosive material, metal, dust, and salt. And then the storage temperatures are the same as the operating temperatures. Again, that's 0 to 40 degrees centigrade. A failure to use, store, and maintain the product according to the instruction would void your warranty. The manual is very nicely labeled. It's very well done. Very easy to understand. How to charge the product. There are 3 ways to charge the product: using the AC adapter, solar charging cable, or car charger. First, you need to determine the input source and select a charger accordingly. Then connect the charger to the input port of the product to start charging. When the product is being charged, the battery icon will flash on the LCD screen. And so it will look like this. Battery indicator will flash, and then it says when it is fully charged, the battery icon will stop flashing. Okay, let's go ahead and plug this in and get it charging. Input, there we go, it lights up blue, and then again, like it explained in the directions, you can see the battery is showing you that it's charging. This battery indicator has 5 segments to it, and each segment is 20%, so 20, 40, 60, 80, 100%. So you can very quickly tell if you look at this indicator as to the capacity of the battery. Obviously you can see that it's still charging, but each indicator is 20%. It says, to prolong battery life, we set the depth of discharge of this portable power generator to 90%, which means only 90% of the battery capacity can be discharged. 10% of the energy is reserved so that the battery will not be damaged due to over discharge. This power station can be discharged while charging, but for better product, the lifespan of the battery, we do not suggest that you use this pass-through function long term. To power the unit on, you basically have to hold the buttons down for 2 seconds or more, and to do the same thing to turn it off. So you got the power button, you have the DC button, and then the AC button. So you'd have to hold them. So if you wanted AC, you know, like you want to light up that receptacle on the back, you'd have to power the device on and then push the AC button for 2 seconds. I'm looking at the fasteners of the product, and everything is really high quality materials. These are like stainless steel bolts and fasteners. This strap, it's like a hard plastic, very strong. I like that they got the screws here, so if this plastic handle, which I don't think is gonna break, it feels solid, but in the event that it does, flathead screwdriver, you could put a piece of leather or something on there and fix that. This unit is built very nice. I like it. This thing has had a few hours to charge. So there you can see the indicator is fully illuminated. So I'm going to go ahead and unplug the charger. And that's it, powered up. It tells us the battery indicator. Now the middle button is DC, and this other button is AC, so we want to turn on the DC. I push that for a couple seconds. You can see it illuminates. So I'll plug this into my phone, and I'll bring it up close to you. So that's pretty cool. So now my phone is working. Another thing that I want to check is the AC side of things. I want to see what the AC side of things will do. Now, referring back to our owner's manual, I think it's important to know what the output of the AC is, and which is 200 watts. That's enough to charge batteries. It's enough to run like a fan. It's enough to do, I mean, you're not going to run a evaporative cooler or a refrigerated air unit or a miter saw or nothing like that, but it'll give you enough power to charge batteries or something like that. To test the AC side of things, I have a Makita power tool battery here, and I have a Makita charger. So I'm going to plug this charger into the back. My phone is still charging, so I have DC and AC going. You can see that the light is illuminating. Now when I turn the battery in, let's see what happens here. There we go. So we are currently charging a Makita battery at the same time, we're also charging my phone. I'm already up to 55%. This thing is working pretty good. I got a text message here. I think this thing is really cool. I'm going to go ahead and turn the AC off. It gives you a nice readout digital output of this LCD screen. I really like this product. I think it's really nice. I want to say thank you to MAXOAK for sending this out for review. It's got a beautiful LCD digital readout. It gives you a nice bright indicator of the battery. I'm charging my phone. I'm up to 57%. It's doing a good job. I was able to charge Makita battery. This thing is working good. I'm going to keep using it and take it with me to do some things, and I'll keep you guys posted on how it does. But please make sure to check the description box down below, because I'll put a link to where you can find this on the Amazon store. This is a really cool product. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys got some good useful information out of it. Please feel free to leave your comments down below, like this video, share this video, and as always, thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you next time. Bye for now.